So the Bookable link, it's a no-cost marketing and sales tool that allows you to quickly create personalized links for Viator products that you can then send to your clients. Your clients then can easily click and book from those links, all while you earn our generous 8% commission on every single product.
So let's go ahead and go over to our platform. Again, that's going to be travelagents.viator.com. Please make sure, again, you bookmark and save this. Now, we're going to start by just how you log in. It's going to be shown on the top right-hand side of our website. You're going to see login. You're just going to log in with the account that you created with the email. Just go through the process. And then what's going to happen is it's going to create a custom banner that's going to say, "Welcome, Michelle." But now let's talk about our Share with Client link that you can see on our homepage. That's going to be shown on the top right-hand side. And again, this one can be easily shared through by social media, text message, any of those locations. And now all you have to do is you can see it's going to generate the link, and you just hit copy, which that means it's going to be copied to your clipboard, and then paste it again in any of those form files we previously talked about. So I'm going to type in New Orleans. It's going to pull down a GPS location that's going to show a product page. If I click into this location here, it's going to pull up all tours in New Orleans. You can see it's going to about have 543 results. It's a lot of tours to share with the client. Now with that, you can see on the top right-hand side, this will now create a destination location. You can see it's going to show New Orleans, and then this is how you can copy this again and send it to your client just for an in-destination suggestion. Next, we're going to have how you can create our bookable link by category. I'm going to use today's example to say that I have a client who's maybe a little bit of a foodie. He's looking for tours in New Orleans. So I'm going to go ahead and click food and drink. And this is now going to take that broken down into 101 results. Now, again, if you click share with client, this will now target share these results. So when your client sees into the link, they're just going to see the 101 results. Now, note they have still full access to the whole website. So you can click into the link. You can go over all the product information that we display on the website, but you'll also see that we show who our operator is, show you reviews that you can read through so you can feel comfortable presenting it to the client. We also have our badge of excellence that's going to show that these suppliers have met these top quality standards. Also the location, and then now you can create the bookable link for the target destination or tour level. So you can see here, it's going to show tour and all the way down just to the name. So if your client clicks into it, they're going to review this all the way through.
So let's do a quick review. Your links don't expire. Your clients click on the link and they open a new session. When they book, if within 30 days of any session that they have opened, you're going to earn commission. So the client clicks on one of your links. They're going to go ahead and they're going to book through your personalized link. As you can see here in the image, it says your agent and it would have your name there so that they know that this link has been recommended and connected to the travel agent, you. Your client then completes the transaction all on their own. You then do get notified that they have booked. Your client then is going to receive a confirmation and travel voucher so that they can manage the booking on their own. And here's an example of a client's confirmation that they've received. And as you can see, your client has the ability to independently manage their own booking. They can view details. They can even contact their support team or suppliers directly. They can modify, they can add travelers. It's all up to them to manage this booking on their own. And here's an example of a booking page. And you can see that there are two types of bookings that are being highlighted. You can first see that there's a direct booking type and then an indirect booking type. A direct booking is a booking that's directly booked by you online that you manage within your account or through customer service. But just know that you do now have the ability within your portal with our new self-service management tools to manage these on your own. You can modify, cancel, amend, and talk to our suppliers, the supplier directly within your portal. Your indirect bookings are those bookings that have been made by your client.